Okay, we got something for the QT50. How about a little unboxing? Anybody guess what it could be, possibly? How about now? Yeah, let me get some cutters. Let's be careful cutting it, huh? There's one. Two. Can you guess it now? Not done cutting. Oh my. Oh really? That's interesting. So let's see here. That header, I guess that'll work. Kind of got the Honda Express design going here. Let's see. So I'm going to have to weld a hanger or some way to hang this on the side. Oh, he's included it here. So we've got this and this. I got, not sure what this other piece is for. But this would go like that. Header's still awfully long on this thing, but you know, I guess that's kind of just the QT50 for you. Also, this is available for the PW50. But anyways, let's put it down on the ground so you can see it better. See it in all of its glory, right? Maybe we can get a whole shot. Yeah, no pun intended. Anyways, there's the beast. Obviously, bigger at the belly, and the cones are bigger than the MLM People's pipe. And this is an end bleed pipe, so even more flow. It's going to be pretty loud, and then I'll just have to figure out, I guess I'll test mount it and figure out where to put the brackets, but that is the beast, ready for action. It's already, There's the end bleed stinger in there. It might already be starting to rust, as a matter of fact. But I'll paint it here. It doesn't feel like it's oily at all. So I'll get it ready for paint after I get the bracket welded on. Anybody know? See if we can get a little closer shot of this. So this is obviously a bracket. Why did he include that with no hole? I mean, I guess, is it for the, you know, I could make that into a second bracket. Oh, I'll figure it out. Anyways, she's here. Long awaited, the Jemco pipe. He only makes these one at a time. Special order, payment in advance. Looks pretty good overall. I like the handmade quality. And can't wait to rip with it. This thing, you know, I'm guessing you might be looking at a, well, it's definitely going to affect your low end, take away from the low end, but I'm thinking a good, got to give me at least 5% top end. Who knows, if we're lucky, maybe 10% top end, which would make for a 55-mile-an-hour QT50. Anybody who says they're doing over 60 on these things, prove it, because I think you're full of you-know-what. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and thanks for opening up with me. Thanks, Jemco. And we'll be back with more videos on the QT50 Jemco pipe, also for the PW50.